Hi guys, my name is Chanchit Sewaleekunanon. This video is a part of final project of Database Management System ITC 6000 from Northeastern University. Well, let me explain what is Internet of Things first. Well, it is a concept of any devices connected to the internet. For example, like you can start your car by your phone, or even you can watch a live stream from your CCTV at home from your smartphone. What I'm trying to say here is Internet of Things is changing our lives. So that is the reason why I select this topic. The Internet of Things is everywhere around us these days, and it has a potential to go faster in the future. Well, many companies are trying to follow and adapt to this trend. But in order to in order to do that, they need the right tool, right? So the tool that I'm going to present here is the AWS Internet of Things Graph service. Well, it is a graph database service that can enable engineers to build Internet of Things automation system, and it can manage the interactions between devices. And the mission of the company is the easiness of use, and there are many features supporting Internet of Things applications. Well, let's see the benefits. It is faster to build the Internet of Things applications and easier to create a workflow because of the drag and drop function. Also, AWS is the market leader with more than 30% of the market share, and so it has a high reliability to use this service. For the disadvantageous side, the high cost in terms of transaction cost and additional storage could be very high, and still the AWS is a new technology, so there are some locations not available yet, mostly in Asian region. And for the challenges, I divided into two sides. The first side comes from the user. It could be difficult at first for user because they have to understand all features and build their own models. But for the Amazon side, they need to maintain the customer satisfaction and the market leader position. For the installation, you guys can just go to the Amazon website and search for AWS IoT Things Graph and fill the request form because this service need to request to access first. Now let's see the example of workflow. This example is a baby monitor application, and the purpose is to improve lives for parents. Well, this service shows the preview of how things work. As you can see, the baby is sleeping right near the microphone, and in this case, the baby, in case of babies crying at night, the microphone will detect that and pass them to the machine learning. The machine learning will analyze and know that the baby is crying or not, right? If yes, the speaker will play a song. And meanwhile, the timer starts to count, right? Well, if the baby is crying more than 2 minutes, there will be two options available. First is to call the parents, and the second is to record the video and show them on the mobile device. Now, let's see some real business using AWS to solve their problems. Begin with Philips Healthcare. Um, they seek for new tool to reinvent healthcare for their clients. So they have over 390 million imaging studies and records. Well, AWS helped them to build a digital platform to analyze and store data. So with that platform, they can handle data storage effectively. Another example is NEU. NEU is an energy company seeking for new innovation to provide energy. AWS provides a platform for um, energy management. As a result, they save 20% on computing costs and 60% storage costs, as well as they reduce the time of provisioning from a month to 3 to 4 days. Well, the last example is Rio Tinto. The Rio Tinto is one of the largest mining company on earth. They were trying to cut the cost, so AWS helps them to build a heat map. They install sensors on the tire of trucks and detect the movement to create a heat map. So they will be able to know that which load has high roughness, and as a result they save 40% of tire cost, and that means millions of dollars. So in conclusion, Amazon Internet of Things Graph is a service for any company facing problem. This database provides workflows and relationships of things as a graph. Well, in the future, I believe that this service will be more popular because Amazon is shaking the world now. Thank you.